I don't even know if I want to make a tutorial. Like, I make tutorials and I am honest in them in what happens. And I was filming this transformation today and there was a really bad chemical reaction. Like, so bad we had to stop and like emergency work on the hair to get it out of the foils. Now what I'm going to show you is crazy. It's crazy. I think I might still make a tutorial on like what ended up happening and like how we were able to salvage what we could. Keep in mind, even if a test strand is done, sometimes some factors aren't, I fully still don't even know what happened here. Like, what happened? We found out there was a home salon service done. She wasn't sure what it was, but it was like a relaxer / permanent straightening service. And she had confused it for a temporary smoothing service. And like, I don't know, should I still show the footage and explain what happened and what we did to salvage her hair and still get her to like close to the color she wanted? Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's wild.